Have you ever wanted to block a certain app on your Windows to not access your internet connection while still being connected to the internet? Though I will show you this procedure on my Windows 11, the similar process will also be applicable if you are using Windows 10 or older. By the way, this tutorial will work 100%, so before you get started, just make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button so that it encourages me to make such more helpful tutorials like this. The first thing we want to do is, we want to go ahead and then select that particular application. So here, I have the application in mind for which I would like to block all internet connection. Right from your desktop interface, right click on it and select Open File Location. Once I've done that, you can see the exe file's location. What you still want to do is right click again, but this time select Copy as Path. We will copy the path file of this. Once we've done this, you want to go to your search bar and search for this setting, that is Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security, and just select that. When we have launched this, right here you'll find the option called Outbound Rules. Go to Outbound Rules. Then on the right hand side select New Rule. Now under New Rule, what we will do is we will select Program. You can just leave it like that because it will get selected by default already. Then you can click on the next option. Here, the earlier path that we copied, we want to simply paste it like this. The only thing you want to remove is this quotation marks at the beginning and towards the end of that path. It will show you a recommendation, so make sure to choose your proper file over here. Once you've done this, click on the next option. Leave it at the option because block the connection will already be selected by default. Then click on the next option again. Here, you can select when does this rule apply. So of course, make sure that you have checked all of that and click on next. Simply give it a name. I will simply give it the application name and I'll type in internet block so that it will be easy for me to recognize in the future if I wish to delete it. Once I've done that, I can just click on the finish button. Now that particular application will not be able to access the internet connection. In the future, if you wish to undo this, just come to this same page called Outbound Rules. On the right hand side, you can find that rule and you can click on the delete button, or you can select the rule from the group, right click on it and select the delete button. This way, we can block a specific application from accessing the internet connection on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Hope this video helped you out, and if it did help you, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll make sure to bring you such more updated, very special tutorials like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.